What's going on? Richard Hairston here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about join MyEcon Luxury Club, how to set up the system step by step. So that's what we're going to do in this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of other video. If you have subscribed, I want to thank you. Leave me a comment if you have any question. So what we're going to do right now is go right into the setup of this system. As you see on the page, this is the page that you're going to start setting up, get your instruction from to actually set up the system. So you're going to sign up for the Conversion Pros. Now I want you to understand that you have two income streams in this system, one from MyEcon and the other one from the Conversion Pro. So I'm going to try to set this thing up as quickly as possible, but yet go as slow as possible so you can see how easy it is to get it set up and running in less than an hour if you are consistent and you're able to stick with it. Okay, so what I want to do here, you're going to watch these videos, but actually what we're going to do, we're going to grab the first share code that you see here. We have the opt-in form, the presentation page, and the funnel setup page. I'm going to highlight this code here. That's all you have to do is highlight it, right click, copy with your mouse, come back over to the Conversion Pros. When you log into your account after you set it up, this is the page that you are going to see. Okay, you're simply going to come over here and click on Page Builder. Once you click on Page Builder, click on Create Page. Use share code, okay? Paste that share code in there. Click Save. It's going to say Enter Another. Click Enter Another. Come back over here. Grab the second one, okay? No spaces before or after. Come back over here. Drop it in there. Paste it in. Save. Enter another share code. Come back over here. Grab this one. Copy. Come back. Drop it in there. Paste. Okay. Then you want to save it. Now we're going to click on Edit. Okay. What you want to do here is we want to change out this box in this button here. The only thing that you need to do on here is you're going to click on Edit Content, okay, and then you're going to pick a page that you want to, that you're going to actually send it to. So we have the system set up, we have the checks to you, which is the capture page itself, and then we have the My Weekly Checks, okay. You're going to click on My Weekly Checks too. Boom, it's in there. You're going to click, if you want the full name and email only, click this form here. If you want the full name, email, and phone number, click this form here, which I highly suggest so you can reach out to them. You know, just welcome them to the team and see if they need any help setting anything up. Let them know that you are a real person, okay? Then you're going to click Save, okay? So that's done. The next thing you want to do, we're going to come back to this page here in a minute because I want to show you about the autoresponder. So we're going to close that out. Okay, we're going to close this out. We're going to come over to Pages. The next one we want to edit is going to be the weekly checks to you too. So you're going to come across here, click on Edit. Okay. And what we want to do is we want to change out these links. Now this is the MyEcon page. So what you want to do is have your MyEcon join now link handy, and let me show you how to get that. Come over to your MyEcon account. Once you join MyEcon, okay, if you're already in MyEcon, then you can get this system as well. Okay, so you're going to click on join now. Then up in the top here, you're simply going to copy this, copy, come back over here, come over to Get Started, click on Edit Content, paste that in there, save. Come down to the next one, Sign Me Up, paste it in there, save. Come down here. Now this is a little different, so pay close attention. You're going to click Join MyEcon here, but this time you're going to click on the Style A. Going to open up the attribute editor as you see here. Go across here till you get to link. Click on link. delete this out of here, or you can simply change the username. I like to delete it out of there. Paste it in there. Let me do it again. Something didn't work right. Delete that out of there. Paste that in. What's going on? Hold on. Let me get my copy. Let's delete all of that out of there. Okay, now there we go. Partner with Richard. Click on a new tab. Then close that out. Okay, next we want to set up the marketing system. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on Style A. Come over here to Link. What you want to do is come back over here, and you're going to get this here. So click on this, copy, come back over here, delete the Google, paste in that, open up a new tab, stop editing. Okay, you're good to go there. Don't worry about the click join, or don't worry about this click here to join. This takes them to the Facebook support group. You have to be a paid member of MyEcon to get in this group. Okay, so what you want to do now is add your picture. So how do you do that? You can host your image. I use Imgur. Click edit content, come over to Imgur, and I'm going to use this image here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to come down to image, copy image address. Going to come back over here. I'm going to paste it in there. Going to click on 25%. You have full size, 50%, and then 25. Use the 25%, click save. And there your image is going to be there. Next thing you do, you want to come down here, click on the H3, not H3. You want to click on edit content. Okay. And this gets easier once you use it enough, okay? And I like to use here, I like to use my MyEcon email, which is partner. If I can spell. MyEcon.net. If you notice that when you join MyEcon, you'll be able to find that right up here next to your image, which would be right there. You can copy and paste it if you want, okay? And then you want to put in your phone number, okay? Okay, you want to put in your phone number. You want to stop editing. You want to come down next. You want to do the Facebook. Click on edit content. This is going to open up. I already have my Facebook open to my profile. Come over here, click, right click, copy, come back. I'm going to paste that right there. I'm going to click save. Now that's going to take them to my Facebook. Okay, so we got all of that set up. Everything. We're going to come over here, make sure you can scroll back down so you can see it. Click on save lander. Lander has been saved. We're going to close it out. Okay, the next thing we want to do, we want to edit this page here. Edit. And you want to get your Conversion Pros free trial link. That's the only link you need, okay? So you're going to come back over here. And what I like to do, we can close, let me see. What I like to do is right click on anything over here. Let's just say the autoresponder, and it'll open up in a new tab. Or you can right click and open in a new tab, okay? And once it opens in a new tab, you come over here to account up in the right hand corner. Go to affiliates. Go to my websites. Click on your website up here. Then click on try it free. Get started. Make sure your username is in this box right here. Copy the link up at the top. Come back over here. If I can find it, it's somewhere. We're going to hover over here, right here, get my free trial, edit content, paste in yours, and click save. Scroll down. Nothing else needs to be changed. Save the lander. Okay, so everything should be set up. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to leave that open. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to close this one out. I'm close down some of these tabs. Now we want to make sure that we have everything set up. But first, let me take you back to the capture page. Like I said, come over here to edit, because I want to make sure I have an autoresponder in there. Okay. You want to be building your list. I already have one set up just with one message in it. This is a test account. I'm going to put this over into my main account later on today. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to click Save Lander. Now this capture page here, when someone enters their information, it goes to that actual email. Okay, email campaign. Okay, so I've saved the lander there. Let's make sure, got that done. So I'm just going to show you quickly before we actually test the pages how to set up an autoresponder. So what you will simply do, I like to have, when I'm working on my page builder and an autoresponder, I like to right click, open up a new tab, come to autoresponders. Okay, and what you're going to do here is you're going to click on new campaign, type in whatever you want to do. I'm just going to put MyEcon testing right now. You can put a description if you want. Click save now. Then it's saved. What you want to do, you're in it now, you're working in it. You want to come over to campaign details, make sure you activate it. Okay, click save now. Then you can come over here and you can start creating messages. Okay, and what I love about this autoresponder here, you can check your spam score to make sure that your emails are going into people's inboxes and not their spam folders. Okay, so you will simply create your message. Make sure you change this to 0 here. Excuse me. Okay, and then once you create your message, you will save it. Okay, and you're good to go. So I'm going to cancel that. You have an email broadcast, so you can send out 2 broadcasts per day. Okay. You have a SMS broadcast where you send out text messages. You can see your contacts here, and you can add tags. So that's what you want to do there. Okay. And what's going to happen, I have a share code specifically for MyEcon. I think it has about 30 something letters in it that I can give you the share code to that, which is in my main account, and that will help you get set up. But you're going to have to go through each letter and edit out the links in there and things like that. Okay, so with that being said, let's go back over here and let's test this out. I'm going to close everything else out up here across the top. And we're just going to test it to make sure I have this set up right. So I'm going to click on this link. I'm going to click preview. And I'm going to enter some information. Okay. I'm going to put in. Let's see. Yep. gmail.com, spell.com, right? Then I'm going to put in a phone number. I'm just going to say 662-259-0324. Okay, we got that in there. And then we're going to make sure we have everything. I want to walk it through the process and make sure everything is set up. Let's learn here. Click learn more. Okay. All right, my information is in the top. They're going to watch the presentation, which is a short presentation Ivy Stokes is giving, then some testimonials at the end. They're going to click get started. Make sure your info is there, and mine is. They're going to show you the compensation plan, 21 minutes long. Okay. Click sign up. Make sure your information here. Mine is there. We're going to, and this you want to make sure, okay. Then they're going to tell you about the marketing system. Okay. We're going to click MyEcon. Let's try that again. Boom. Mine is there. Great. We're going to see about to set up the marketing system. Make sure it's right. Make sure my information's up here in the URL. It is. Okay. We're going to click on set up the free trial. Boom. My information is there. That's good. They'll talk about setting up the sales machine. It's simply going to walk them through the share codes here. This video is doing that for you now. Then it's going to access the free training. Let's check out the Facebook group here. Takes you there. You can only join this group if you are a paid member of MyEcon. Okay, point blank. Okay, let's check it out here. The Facebook group. Yup, that works. Everything is good. You want to check your information, your image. Everything is good to go. Let me see my Facebook while I'm here. There it goes. It takes them straight to it. Okay. So that's that's how you can easily set up the system. So what I'm going to do, if you want to join me in MyEcon and also use the Conversion Pros as the marketing system, I'm willing to do a one-on-one Zoom meeting with you to make sure you have everything set up correctly, to make sure you have everything lined up. Also, I'm going to give you the share codes to my emails that I have in my other account. So let me pause this video right quick. That's all right. Let's just keep going. I just want to show you this. I'm going to close out this account here, and I'm going to log into my other one just to show you the emails that I have with MyEcon inside of it. Okay. Let me see here. Let's do a search. And MyEcon new letters. As you can see, there are over 35 emails in here. So I'm going to give you the actual share code to this one, where you're going to have to go through here and, change out everything to make it work. I would start out by changing at least 7 of them and then get started. And then you can go back and start changing out the other ones later on. Don't try to do them all in one day. At least do up to 5 of them, and then get the system out there, get it out there, start getting traffic. Then once you get the traffic flowing, you can start back at the wherever you left off and do the rest of them. Okay, just a little bit at a time. So I'm going to give you the share code to that as well. Okay, so this is the system in a nutshell. This is what you're going to get. Also, I wanted to show you this as well. In between, let me log out of here again. I want to get back into my other account. I'm going to show you this, and then I'm going to shut this video down. Is that in between, okay, in between this capture page and this page, the bridge page, what I suggest you do later on, not right now, which is what I'm going to do, is actually put another video, a thank you video, in between this page and this page of me welcoming them, thanking them, and telling them my story, and also offering them some bonuses when they join up. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, but don't worry about that right now. That's just a suggestion on something you can do. So I hope you got value out of this video. If you have any questions, if you ready to get started, my contact information will be below in this in the description below. Also, a link to get started will be below, so you can walk through the process. Okay. Also, leave me a comment, leave me a like on here, give me a thumbs up on here. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. If you are a subscriber, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for sticking with me. I hope you get value from this video. Click the link in the description right now and join the MyEcon Luxury Club. We're going to help you. I'm going to actually add you to my rotator as well. I'm going to help you get sales in MyEcon. So we want to end this year with a bang, go into 2020, blowing up MyEcon and the Conversion Pros. Focus on these 2 things. Don't be a jumper. Focus on these 2 things, and let's go. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. Thank you for your time. My name is Richard Hairston. You have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Click the link in the description to get started. Peace